This is just the fog lamp. This is the low beam. This is the high beam. This is the fog lamp and high beam from fog lamp and the headlamp. These are just the fog lamps. And now this is the low beam. And this was the dipper high beam with the fog lamp. Currently it's on low beam with fog lamp on. This is just the fog lamp on right now. And this is the fog lamp off, fog lamp on, low beam, fog lamp off, fog lamp on, high beam with fog lamp, high beam without fog lamp. The low beam is set to level 5. Right now level 5 seems to be good enough for city conditions. This is low beam with fog lamp, and low beam is now set at level 4. This is low beam with fog lamp. This is just the fog lamp, all lights off. With the fog lamp also, it is more than sufficient to drive in the city with traffic. So right now only the fog lamp is on. This is the high beam. This is the high beam of the fog lamp and the main headlamp setup. This is still just the fog lamp that is on. And now this is with the low beam. So right now we are on low beam with fog lamp, and this is the high beam. So this is the low beam and the fog lamp, just the fog lamp, and now high beam. So the light right now does not hit oncoming traffic to the eye level, like the car parked there on the right you can see. And with the dipper, yes it does. So on low beam it is not going to trouble the oncoming traffic. And this is the view of it. This is just the fog lamp, low beam with fog lamp, high beam. And this is with the high beam. This is the wiring kit provided with the lights. There's no skinning or cutting of the OEM wires that has been done. Here is the blast of the headlamp. This is how neatly the work has been done. There's absolutely no wire that has been skinned and also visible. Everything is neatly been done here.
and this is how it looks.